Hi family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Today's video is sponsored by Harness. On my end, we're starting out the year with a brand new dining room setup. I cannot wait till you guys see these new pieces, and I cannot wait to set it up with you all. I would like to say thank you to Harness for sponsoring today's video. Family, let's get back into the groove of things. Christmas is over. I know you see my Christmas tree there, but ignore it. I wanted to show you all the old setup. This is the old dining room setup. You guys know that I have been trying to replace this set. There's nothing wrong with it. It's really pretty. However, I'm continuously trying new things out, and you guys know that. And because I do lifestyle content with a focus on home and homemaking, I get a lot of brand deals with furniture companies. And because I love furniture as well, I'm always willing to try new things out. So that is what we're doing today. We are changing the entire dining room from the table to the chair to the rug. All right, so this is what the rug looks like. When the table and the chairs are on it, it doesn't look as bad. But once you take it off, that's when you really get to see that, yeah, it's time to change it, or at least to wash it. The rug is really nice. It's from, what is it called? Home Goods, and it can be washed. Okay, you can either use a carpet cleaner or just I don't know if you can put it in a washer because it's pretty thick and pretty large. So I don't know if you can do that. You probably have to have a really large washer, but you can use a carpet cleaner. Anyway, I'm taking the rug out for now, and I'm bringing something new here. This new rug, well, first of all, I'm cleaning the floors, as you can see, using the cordless vacuum to just get rid of, some of the dust and dirt. Yes, this is the new rug. I think you all have seen this before, but this is not the specific one you've seen. The one you've seen is in the living room. So I decided to get another one to match the dining room because, as you can see, my aesthetic is a little bit of black, a little bit of cream, a little bit of white, and a little bit of gray. So I wanted to bring that in the dining room as well to give it some life. You can see the buffet table there, the curtains, the sheer curtains, the drapes. Everything is very cohesive. All right, now time for the fun part. Let us unbox our chairs. These chairs are super cute. I saw them online and I fell in love. So when Harness reached out to me, I was like, yes, let's do it. The chairs are super easy to put together. And the great thing I love about this specific set is that you don't have to assemble the chairs. And the table, which I'm going to show you here in a second, only has a 1, 2, 3 steps assembly system. So it's not going to take you all day to put this stuff together. Whereas I've tried other ones that it just takes a long time to put together, and it kind of takes the fun out of it. But yeah, this is our chair. This is the unveiling of our chair. Look at the chair and look at the rug. And then when I zoom out, look at everything else. This is a match. Okay, family, don't do this. Don't use a knife. Don't use a scissor, because you can leave a mark on your chair, which I ended up doing. So don't do what I'm doing here. But I was anxious to get the zip ties off the chair, which they put it on pretty tight. It was pretty tight. So I tried the knife. It didn't work. I tried the scissors. It didn't work, so I went back to the knife and I ended up putting a little nick on the chair, as you can see here. So again, don't do that. But look at the chair. It's so beautiful. Again, it needs absolutely no assembly. Oh man, I wish I didn't do that. So I learned my lesson from this first one. But yeah, this is what the chair looks like. It is a really nice fabric that you can use like a carpet or furniture cleaner to wash. It's very lightweight, but it's also very sturdy. It's so nice, and it's not big or bulky. This is just me sitting in the chair and just filling it out. It's really nice. I really like it, and the fact that it matches my aesthetics so well. And yeah, this is the other 5. So there's 6 chairs. My dining space is pretty large, and well, at least for my home, and my dining chair or table is pretty large as well. So I decided to go with 6 chairs. And even when I have my family over, the 6 chairs is not enough. But I think that's the limit of what I can fit in here. Anyway, let's bring the table in. I skipped the step of assembling the table, but it's 3 pieces and that's all you have to do, y'all. You just have to put the 3 pieces together. You know, Bay did that for me, so I'm not even gonna lie and say I did it, but this is what the chair looks like. And this is, I'm sorry, the table. This is what the table looks like. That's just styrofoam from when it was in the box. But yeah, this is what the new table looks like. It's absolutely stunning, and it's actually a little larger than the older one. The other one is really nice and it has different wood tones, which means it's easy to match it with anything, whereas this one is more modern in my opinion, and it's larger than the other one. I love the woodwork on this, and it matches the woodwork on the chair so perfectly, and then it matches the rest of the house. Love it, love it, love it, love it. I actually used this table for my dining room setup for Christmas. You guys didn't get to see that, and that's why I didn't unbox it in this video, because it was already unboxed. I wanted to use the bigger table for Christmas. So yeah, this is what the table looks like. It's really, really nice. It's real wood, y'all. Anyway, let's go ahead and set up our table. So this is just me bringing our chairs back in one by one, and oh my goodness, the aesthetics is aestheticing, okay? I love the fact that the chairs are lightweight, but also very easy to maneuver, but also very, most importantly, very sturdy. This gives the dining room a more modern look. It gives it a more simple look. And I'm thinking about changing my actual office into a formal dining room. I'm just thinking about it. I don't know if I'm going to do it yet, but I'm just thinking about it. That sounds like a TikTok sound, like a viral TikTok sound. But I'm serious. I'm only thinking about it. But yeah, family, this is what the new dining room looks like. I really like it. What I want you all to do is please comment down below if you like the new setup. I know I've done this to you guys before. I always do this to you guys, but my goal is to bring you the best of the best furniture, to give you a lot of options so that if you're decorating your home, your apartment, your condo, studio, whatever, you'll have not only an idea of different pieces of furniture that you can use, but you'll also get a discount code, because whenever I work with a brand, I always advocate for some kind of discount or some kind of deal for my viewers. So let me know what your thoughts are. And this set does not necessarily have to go together. You can get less chairs. You can get a smaller table. You can get a different color chair, different color table. You can use my old chairs with the new table, or my old table with the new chairs. So I want you guys to let me know, what would you do? Would you use the new chairs with the old table, or the new table with the old chairs? Comment down below which one you like best. I think you guys already know how I already do. I will say I got a lot of compliments from my family when they came over, because the table was bigger, so they loved it. Whereas the other table is the same length as the new table, however, it's a little more narrow than this one. So this table is much larger. So I was able to fit my centerpiece and still set up the table with my charger plate, my dishes, and it didn't look like it was clutter. It also didn't look like it was, squished in together. So yeah, comment down below what your thoughts are, from the rug to the chairs and the table and the new setup. Now I'm going to use this up a little more, but yeah, this was just the setup for you guys to see, and also to show you guys that Harness had the most beautiful furniture. Visit their website. You'll find any and everything you need for your home, and they have the most amazing deals on really great quality pieces. Also, because I am affiliated with them, I'll also have a discount code for you guys to help you all purchase. All right, family, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Also share the video and comment your favorite part of today's video. Thank you all again so much for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.